Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the part 2 of the Lucknow trip. Today is day 2 and अगर आपने ये part 1 नहीं देखा है तो please जाके देख लीजिए. आज के लिए we'll be exploring all the rest of the places. I will all put it in this vlog. I am all glammed up and आज मैंने पिंक पहना हुआ है. मैं बाथरूम में बना रही हूँ by the way because lighting यहाँ पे अच्छी है. We're about to head out and yes, without further ado, let's get started. This is the fit for the day, guys. We have reached Rumi Darwaza and we are going to Bada Imam Bada now. Guys, this is the Bada Imam Bada and this is the gate that we entered from, which is quite nice. Guys, this is one of the passage of Bhul Bhulaiya and we're at the top of it and the scene is just immaculate. Just have a look. Beautiful architecture. We're going to Tunde Kebabi now to devour some great kebabs. The market has started. The congestion of the market has started to kick in. The auto wala sa tera now. There'll be no road. The potholes have become bigger. Tunde Kebabi.
A few moments later.
क्या हो गया रत्ना? Are you still surviving? Surviving the shopping spree?
खाने के बाद
We are looking some chicken curry kurtas for our family and for ourselves.
अच्छा
2,000 years later.
Guys, we are absolutely tired, visibly tired now. Very tired. Dead. हम फिर भी शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं. शॉपिंग नहीं रुकनी चाहिए गाइस. कितनी भी नींद आ रही हो लेकिन शॉपिंग शुड गो ऑन. यस. अच्छा फ्रेम आ रहा है. How many bags? How many bags? How many bags? Two. What? So we have come to Roastery now and we are having some coffee after a very long day of shopping. I shopped so much and yeah, we are just so tired. We are here for just coffee and then we'll go to some really good place for some non-veg dinner and all of these things. गाइस सब जगह सब लोग बेवफा घूम रहे हैं. सो वी आर बैक होम. बहुत थक गए हैं हम. आज हमने इतनी शॉपिंग के लिए वी आर एब्सोल्युटली टायर्ड एंड यस हम थोड़ा बहुत चिल करेंगे. आई probably continue the third day as well because third day के half day में we are going back to Delhi. So I think कल ज़्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं. So I'll combine it and put it as part 2. We went to Amina Bagh where Tunde Kebabis and वो वाली पूरी lane में we bought all the chikankari suits and kurtas. So you can go there and try. I'll just quickly change and we'll just chill and I'll put some shots and then or else I'll just see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's the third day in Lucknow and the very last day as well. So it's currently around 8 and 8:30 and we do not have any plans as such, but I thought why not eat nihari as a breakfast for the last time. So few people will be going to eat nihari. Most probably me and some other person and other will be just resting because yesterday it got so tired after shopping. But we also slept again late because we were chit-chatting till late night and yes, it was the last night of the trip, so we were just trying to enjoy as much as possible and we just woke up. Not everybody's woken up, but those who are woken up to go to the Nihari place today. We are going to Rahim's Nihari. We have Nadine's Nihari day before yesterday, so we will be trying maybe Rahim's Nihari. Abhi we'll just have a little bit chai or coffee or something like that, and then we'll just head out to have Nihari, and we'll meet the other people after checkout at some lunch place, and then we have our train. So yeah, I'll see you afterward.
Oh, sorry. Fuck this city. Never coming back.
So Minal is about to tell you traumatic experience that just happened.
Not the entire thing. Or shall I tell you the entire thing? No? You're never
just
coming back to Lucknow. The entire thing. Okay, so we booked a rickshaw to the railway station for like, and he asked, give us 100 rupees and 30 का toll tax अलग से वो लेगा. And then guess what? उसने हमें गलत railway station पे उतारा है. Can you check the camera थोड़ा सा दूर ऐसा? Then once we reached the platform and then he said कि कोई एक बंदा was stalking us and then he tells us कि मैम आपको शताब्दी में जाना है, आपका ट्रेन तो अब मिस हो गई है. We're like what? And he's like आप गलत मेट्रो स्टेशन रेलवे स्टेशन पे हैं और आपको जो जाना है जगह पे that is 4 kilometers away और आपका तो ट्रेन गया. And then he kept following us because we were trying to exit the station. We were all the way पता नहीं कहाँ isolated end पे. And then we tried to exit and he was following us. मैम अब तो नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, अब नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, ऐसा ऐसा करते हुए. And फिर I asked him कि आप टीटी हो क्या हो? Then he's like मैं ऑटो वाला हूँ. मैंने आप बैग पकड़ो और भगाओ फिर कैसे भी हमें लेके जाओ. And he's like ये 4 kilometers है, मैं पहुंचा दूंगा. I will make sure that you guys reach. So if this is also missed, this railway station is also missed, I'll make sure that you reach the other railway station. So we're like ठीक है आप बस लगेज छुड़ाओ और जैसे जैसे पहुंचो. There were no escalators, nothing. We just like we had a lot of luggage. We had like 3 suitcases, 2 backpacks. We had like shopping stuff and all those things. We were just rushing. We were running for our lives. Our feet was shaking. Our hands were shaking. It was awful, pathetic experience. And then it was barely half a kilometer away. Half, maybe 1, max to max. It was just right across. And then he says, मैम 700 रुपीज़ आप निकाल के रखो. आई मेक श्योर आप सही कोच पे चढ़ रहे हैं. वेल लाइक 700 रुपीज़. यू डिड नॉट से 700 रुपीज़ एट ऑल. इज लाइक नो नो मैम 700 रुपीज़ एट टू 600 रुपीज़ का टोल टैक्स. लाइक 600 को टोल किधर होती है. एंड देन ही केप्ट लाइक थोड़ा सा देयर वाज लाइक एन आर्गुमेंट बिटवीन अस कि भाई आप बाद में ले लेना. वी आर आउट ऑफ कैश, आप ऑनलाइन ले लो. ही इज लाइक नो नो आई एम नॉट टेकिंग ऑनलाइन. ऑल्सो वी वर आउट ऑफ कैश. वी हैड एग्जॉस्टेड ऑल ऑफ इट. एंड देन ही केप्ट सेइंग आप मंगा लो, मेरे को चलो किसी और नंबर पे कर देना, आप मेरे को ऑनलाइन कर दो, अब करना ही है तो. एंड देन ही बेसिकली scammed us at the last moment and we boarded the train unfortunately. So I'm really happy that we are going out of this city. Never coming back. Never.
My question is why नीड दिल्ली में 12 स्टेज 1600 में एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म
हाँ, and people were not even helping around. यहाँ पे they are asking, like nobody is helpful there. भाई दिल्ली में लोग छोड़ के आते हैं. अगर आपको चाणक्यपुरी से जाना है ना, सादरे साइड also लोग आपको escort करके आएंगे. They might kidnap you though. But they're helpful. They're people who are helpful. Yeah.
People here are extremely rude.
Yeah.
They are extremely rude. और
Yeah.
तहजीब
Yeah.
TV नहीं है यहाँ पे.
So there was food did not disappoint us. Yes, I will tell you that. But people did. And तहजीब जिसके लिए हम यहाँ देखने आए थे, there was none. Where was it? Where was तहजीब? There were like people who were so rude to us, rude to everyone. Yeah, Delhi walas are so nice. And I don't like Delhi also, but like Delhi walas are still nice. So तुमने कबाबी कहीं और खा लेना guys. जश्न रिक्ता पे अलग ना हो.
Okay, bye guys. A short tea time. I will close this vlog here. We are going back to our city again. The beautiful city. I would never say that, but but we are going back to a beautiful city, and I'll see you in the next vlog.